Hello there. Would you like to draw a picture with me today? Well, I'm going to do it right here on the board. How about something like an animal, like a rabbit? So here's what you can do. Grab your piece of paper, come back and join me right here. Here we are on our chalkboard right here. I'm going to draw it right on the board for you, and you can just follow right along with me. How about that? Let me adjust this so you can see a little better, and I can see myself here. Well, let's just draw a little nose, okay? Can you do that? Just draw a little nose. See how I did a little triangle shape? And you've got the little nose of your rabbit friend. And then I always like to just do a little curved line there that looks like a little, not really a snout, but it kind of pops out a little bit out of their head. And let's do a little smiley. Let's just do smiley like that. Smiley. Little smiley like that. And then here's the part where you just kind of go like that. Cartoon style here. And then on the other side. Right? The little fluffy cheeks that come off of him. And then how about a little eyeball there like that? Not really eyeball, but eye there. And which way do you want our friend to be looking? Right at you? If so, we can just go like this. You can shade it in like that. And we've got a little friend there, don't we? Now, if you wanted to, you could leave a little bit not colored in. Eyebrows, and you give a little more shine to the eye, maybe if you did that. We're just doing a quickie though. Little fuzzy on the top of his head. How about a tooth? Curve in and draw a line. Here's the little rabbit tooth that often is in cartoons. How about ears? Do you want straight ears? Do you want floppy ears? How about something in between? And kind of curve back like that. How about one on this side? It's gonna have to have another ear, right? And then just curve down, curve down. Now, I don't quite like how, that one's a little fatter, isn't it? So if that happens, it's gonna. Then the inside there, just draw a little line, outlining like so. Another one going back the other way, like that. Then do it on the other side. Here we go, then come back. And this part you could like color in pink or something like a lot of people do. And then we have our little rabbit, at least the head of our friend. And you could put a few little lines there like that. Now we can make our friend look more human, or you can make him look more like an animal if you want to just go back like that. Then he looks more animal-like. Fuzzy tail. You could make him, he start to look more like a little dog, and you can make him a few human qualities like, hey. Since it's cartoony, like his arm or 4 paws coming out. Right? And we have it. Maybe one's down the ground, supporting himself. And he's saying, hey, come on, play with me. Here's some, he's on the grass, right? And each step along the way, you can just add, or you could kind of pause it if you wanted to say, yeah, I'll draw that part and pause it. And hopefully you're able to do that. And draw a cute little friend today. Maybe you need a break from other things and you just want to be creative and draw, 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 practice, 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 get better, better, better all the time of doing little doodles, really more of a doodle than a real drawing, but here we have, and he's saying hello and now goodbye. We have a wonderful day. Enjoy it. Enjoy every day that you have and get better, better, better at whatever creative thing you like to do. And remember, always, always learn something new every day. Take care.